Rijntje, Dolly, Teije Rein en Sally, Elvis en Rijsie. Jere Hey Elvis, hi. I'm going to ride Teije Rein. Can you look a bit happier, please? No? Don't you want to ride? Kom eens. Goed zo. Braaf. Okay. Well, I can tell you he did a great job. Why are your ears back again? Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. I think he don't like it. Yeah, you do. Oh. I think Pete, Spidey, Glendy, Daisy. And Teije Rein. And Reis is inside. And Teije Rein can go inside now. And then I'm going to lunch Reisi. Ja, Blomke, Bella. And I think behind Boutje. And that's... Oh, Yvke. It's very hard to keep my phone table when I'm sitting on a horse. So sorry. Hey, a halter from Angelique and this carrot from. Here you go. Oh, also one for Reisi. And Florian pellets from Buy Me a Carrot. Super thanks and PayPal. First I'm going to lunch Reisi, then he get also some pellets. This morning they already had some pellets. Okay. He's begging. Come on. Aww. Cute. Hey Reisi. That's cute. Aw. The others are eating. But hey, I had to get the whip from inside. And I thought, well, Reisi can uh, stand in the arena without a lunch line. And he was turning around, and I thought, whoa, he's doing good. But now he sees the others and he's turning. Bellen en Boukje. Doe maar. Stappen. Goed zo. Oh, there are the others coming. Oh, goed zo, Reisi. Okay, it doesn't work. Yvke is lying to him. Hey, Yvke. Okay, now we're going to lunch. Yes. Oh, braaf je. Draf. Draf. Kom op, hey. Kom. Hallo. Kom op. Goed zo, braaf. Super. Reisi and Teije Rein, and they're wearing the fly masks. Reintje and Dolly, and Reintje is in heat, so she likes the kind of stallions. Elvis, he thinks they look very strange. There's Sully. Glendy, Daisy, and Peach, and they can move again here and in the arena. And where is Spidey? There he is. Hey, Spidey! Okay, I just brought in the mares and the foals, and then I saw here were only three: Spidey, Daisy, and Glendy. And then I thought, where's Peach? So I saw Peach over there behind in the paddock. Now she's gone, so I have to search where she is. And how does she come there? No. First power off. Okay, there she is. How? What did you do? Hey. I really don't know. What happened? The only thing I thought maybe here. That's dangerous. You have to be careful. Well, I make the wire there better. Oh. Come. Hey, Glendy. Yeah, I think so. That's dangerous. Okay, I fix it. I think this is better. Or not. Peach, Daisy en Spidey. Well, there's nothing to eat over here because of the Shetland ponies. They ate everything. Hey, Dolly. Hey. Sully. Okay, I thought, why is that making so much noise? Then I saw this wire was on the ground here. And then I saw there's no wire anymore. So here it is. Oh, it's all broken. Then this is broken. That's broken. And there are the horses. Hey, and there's a bird on Sully's back. But I'm going to check if they are okay. I think I bring them in. Then I can check if everything is okay. I don't see anything yet. Oh. Hi. I think I fixed it again. There and there. Over there. Hi ponies. Now I check if the power is on. Yes. I can feel it. So I think I just try again. Okay, I thought I go to film this because Sally isn't finished yet with her pellets and Reintje tries to steal them. And when I'm filming, she thinks I'm doing nothing. It's for Sally. Oh, Elvis. I can't find anything which is not good because of the wire. Also not by Dolly. Reintje, you already ate. Yeah, you finished. But I can't find anything. Reintje and Dolly. And because of Reintje is in heat, Dolly has a gross hind thing. But so I'm going to clean. Elvis. Huh. Sally. Oh, Dolly, be careful. Wrong arm. That's Reintje. Reisje. Spidey. I thought the ponies can walk here again, but that doesn't mean you have to escape. Toe. Boefke. Hey Peach. Glendy. Spidey. But you have to go outside. Come on. Toe. That's sun protection. It's for Reisje. Come. Up, Spidey. Hey. Where's Daisy? Come. Oh, Daisy's over there. Hey ladies. Bella. Hey. Bella. That's Yveske and Boukje and there's Blomke. Hey Elvis. Hey. Don't you want to go to your mom? I think he was the one who got through the wire. I saw a little spot on his shoulder, on his elbow, I have to say. Teije Rein en Reisi en Elvis. Elvis en Sally. En Rijntje en Dolly. It's about 28 degrees now. And I think earlier it was 30 degrees. But the wind is blowing. So I think it's okay. And what I like about Sally, she has a dappled coat. Oh, we can't see it right now. Maybe later. No, when I see it again, I will show you.